Hi students, welcome back to our first topic, computer generation. These are the fourth video of our first topic. The students, in previous video we get information about electronic revolution, first generation, second generation. Now in this video we get information about third generation. Okay, dear students, you know the period of third generation is 1964 to 1971. They are the period of third generation. You also know that in third generation the era was used a integrated circuit, that is IC. Okay, now we learn in the integrated circuit replace functional unit comparing of हंड्रेड ऑफ इंडिविजुअल ट्रांजिस्टर। देखो बेटा, जो आईसी है, जो बहुत सारे ट्रांजिस्टर यानी कि 100 ट्रांजिस्टर मीन वन आईसी, दीज आर द मेन रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ era, that is technology. Use of IC greatly reduce the size of computer and their power consumption. Dear students, in third generation IC was used, so size of computer also decrease, means reduce, and power consumption also reduce. Third number, maintenance cost was also low because with less heat generated, burnout and component failure were rare. In third generation the era was used IC, so maintenance cost means low. Why? The heat generated also less, and burnout means breakdown also less, so all maintenance is also low, and components failure will be rare. Fourth number point, user could interact through keyboard and monitor. Just one, in third generation user means to handle a computer they are using a keyboard and monitor to operate a computer. Then fourth number or fifth number, semiconductor memory was introduced. In this third generation semiconductor memory, you know that in first generation drum memory was used, in second generation magnetic core memory was used, and in third generation semiconductor memory was invented. Sixth number, computation time reduced further by a factor of 1000, means consumers time of computer means processing time also increase in third generation. A central program called an operating system was introduced in third generation. Operating system was introduced and they are starting to use a operating system, that is OS. Okay, these are the picture of third generation of computer. They are using a keyboard, monitor and OS. Okay, now these are the third generation computer picture. They are the IC. They are the IC. IC means integrated circuit. They are used in third generation. Okay, dear students, these are the main feature of third generation. Now we move a second generation, that is fourth generation. Dear student, these are the fourth generation. You know, fourth generation period is 1971 to 1990. These are the period of fourth generation. This computer were made using a microprocessor. Dear student, microprocessor is the main innovation of computer. A microprocessor was more energy efficient and reliable than several IC. Up to a computer use a IC, transistor, vacuum tube. Now a microprocessor is a more energy efficient and more reliable than several IC. Thus both power consumption and maintenance cost were greatly reduced. So microprocessor is a more efficient, that's why a consumption and maintenance cost were greatly reduced. Commercial fabrication and sophisticated microprocessor was much economical. Fourth, fifth number, graphical user interface, that is GUI, the mouse and other handheld input device were developed in fourth generation. Graphical user interface means user can interact through graphs, that is a symbol, that is a picture. They can use a mouse and other input device. The made up computer more user friendly. Fourth generation computer is a more user friendly, and they can use using a mouse and keyboard. Sixth number, floppy disks were introduced in 1971. Hard disk drive were introduced in 1973. These are the invention of floppy disks and hard disks. Seventh number, semiconductor memory replaced core memory for internal operation. In fourth generation, the semiconductor memory replaced core memory. The C programming language and Unix OS were developed in fourth generation. C is a programming language. This language used for to write a program, okay, and use a computer. And operating system was used Unix. Unix is a operating system name. These are also developed in this period. Okay, dear student, these are the fourth generation computer. You can imagine fourth generation computer and third generation computer. In third generation computer there was no mouse, but in fourth generation there is mouse, keyboard, monitor, and main effect is a microprocessor, because microprocessor is the main invention of fourth generation. These are the main feature of fourth generation. Okay, dear student, I hope you can understand these two generation, that is third generation and fourth generation. Okay, you can revise once again and you can understand. Okay, thank you.